Good evening, D&D here. Today I just wanted to show dialing this Bode-Panzer and Garni combination padlock, which I got recently, just to show how that works. So the combination of this is 30, 55, 77. So we start by dialing 5 times to the right. Now, counting to 5 is way too much work for D&D, so I'm just going to turn it a bunch of times. That's probably 5 times. Stop on 30. Now we turn it 3 times to the left. So 1, 2, 3, and twice to the right. So 1, 2. Then we turn it slowly to the left. It catches and it opens. There we go. And if you close it again, you can just open it again. So when you lock it, it's probably advisable to turn it to the right a little bit. There we go. It has a change key hole on the back, which is covered when it's locked and open when it's not. So there we go.